for grading. And we'll get started here now with the steps. So step 1, Competitive Swim Clubs Inc. is a national chain of swim clubs targeted to youth and adults who are or who want to be competitive swimmers. You are the regional manager for clubs located in the southeastern United States. Create a split form for the coaches table. Save the form using coaches split form as the name. So we're going to make sure that we have coaches selected here, and then we go up to create and we go over to more forms, split form, and we have to save it as coaches split form. Okay, so step 2, with the coaches split form still open, navigate to the record Rusty Horrocks, coach ID number 120, and delete the record. Okay, so we're gonna, here we go. So I'm going to click over here so that I select the whole record, and I'm going to look for delete record. So it's in the home tab on the ribbon, and make sure you've got the right record selected here and go up to records here and go to delete. Yes. So that then deletes it from the split form and also from the coaches table. So save and close. Step 3, using an update query, update records in the SwimFees table to change the registration fee for LevelID 6 to 175. Save the query as UpdateSwimFees. Okay, so we are going to create an update query. So we're going to go query design, update query. We're going to use the SwimFees table. We're going to deal with the registration fee and the LevelID. So we want to update the registration fee to 175, but we only want to update it for the 6th LevelID. And it is getting saved as UpdateSwimFees, no spaces. Okay. Okay, so the instructions say the query using UpdateSwimFees as the name. So now we're going to query design. We're going to click run, and it says you're about to update one row. Click yes, so yes. And then we check it out in datasheet view, and now we've got 175. So save and close that down. Step 4, open the coaches table in design view and move to the specialty field. So I'm going to do that right away. And we're going to move to the specialty field. Move the specialty field so that it is immediately following the last name field. Change the specialty field to a lookup field. Okay, so we are going after the last name, so we'll see that thick black arrow pointing to the right, and then we click and hold and drag it up one so it's right after the last name, and we're changing this to a lookup field. Enter the following 4 values: backstroke, breaststroke, butterfly, and freestyle for the lookup field. Limit the values to only those items on the list and do not allow multiple values for the field. So I will type in the values that I want, and we go ahead with backstroke, down 1, breaststroke, down, I think it's butterfly, and freestyle. Just double check on that. Butterfly, freestyle. Limit the values to only those items on the list and do not allow multiple values. So I'll go next and limit to list, and I'm not going to click this one because if I did I would be allowing. We do not want to allow. Okay, so finish. All right, perfect. Save the table, but don't close it. Okay, so right click, save, we'll leave it open. Step 5, with the coaches table still open, switch to data sheet view and change the specialty field value for Noelle Gross, who is coach ID 104, to butterfly. Sort the records in the table in ascending order by last name and save and close the table. So we're going to go find Noelle. So we're going to head over to data sheet view. 104, here's Noelle. And so for the specialty field for her, we're going to look at the 4 that we just entered in there and choose butterfly, I believe hers was. Yes. Sort the records in the table in ascending order. Now has your monthly fee multiplied by 12. So that's what your calculated field looks like. I'm just going to make sure I spelled that right. Yes, I did. Awesome. So once that's saved, you can close it down. Step 8. The North Carolina and South Carolina swim clubs hold monthly swim competitions against each other. Create a make table query that selects all fields from the members table in the same order that they are listed in the field list. So we're going to deal with the members, and we're going to create a make table. Create a make table query that selects all fields from the members table in the same order that they are listed in the field list. Add criteria to select only those records with the NC or SC state field names. Assign the name Carolina members to the table and save the query using NCSC members as the query name. So Carolina members, is there a space? No. Members. Okay. Members. All the fields from the members table in the same order that they are listed in the field list. So same order, we just go straight like this. Double click, bring them all down, or you can drag and drop, that works too. Same order. Okay. Add criteria to select only those records with NC or SC as state field values. So state field values, criteria is going to be NC, North Carolina, or South Carolina. Assign the name Carolina members to the table and save the query using NCSC members. So right click, NCSC members, okay, and then we run it. You are about to paste 28 rows into a new table. Okay, so I told you to run it there. Run the query. So I ran it, which saves it, but I'm saving it anyway and closing it down.